Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this Hatch device. So this is a white noise machine that you can use for adults, kids, has a lot of features including a color changing light. You can set it to turn on or increase volume, decrease volume at whatever time you want. It's great for babies and kids, but really works for adults too. It can be like a built-in night light, time to rise, for example. It changes colors, for example, to let your kid know that, okay, it's okay to get out of bed now. Of course, your kid needs to be a little older to understand that. There's some exclusive content you get through the app, as well as you can control it via your app on the phone. So you don't need to go to the actual speaker to do the controlling. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Alrighty. Box inside a box. Here it gives you the instructions right on that box. It says tap for your favorites. Over here it says tap for night light. Here it says tap for dimming and programmable light. So there's even a clock in there. So lots of things you can do with this right off of the machine. But of course, if you have the app, you can do more. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is the Hatch 2nd Gen. Comes with the manual in here. All right, on top, download the Hatch Sleep app and register your device. So I already have the Hatch app installed here and I've logged in. So we're gonna go ahead and add our device. I'm gonna take the sticker off because we don't need it anymore. On the bottom, you can see there is a little cutout for the wire to run, so you can actually leave it plugged in. It's a proprietary sort of adapter type connector. Let's see, the adapter should be in here as well. In the bottom, there you go, this is the adapter. So this is the type of connector. You're just gonna go ahead and plug it in right there, and there's a reset button inside. You do need to have it plugged in for it to work, so let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, so now that I have it plugged in, we're gonna click next here and it shows up, Nest 2nd Gen. So let's click next, let's go. Okay, so it asked me to add my kid's date of birth, which I did. And now it's registering the device. So you just have to keep the app open and it will connect to your device. It automatically synced in the current time. So you can see it's a dim screen with the current time, which is helpful. While we have this setting up, let's go ahead and show you the buttons. So on here, you have the light button. So this middle button turns on that night light function, so you can see it turning on when I press the button. When I press it again, it says off and the light turns off. When the night light is on, you can increase or decrease the brightness by pressing the up and down button on the light. So the upper button is the up, lower button is the low, and then you can decrease it all the way down to 0. Press and hold the upper button and you can see it increases all the way up to 100. And again, use this middle button to turn it off, and it even says off. Hit it again to turn it on, and it defaults back to the time over here when the light is on. Okay, so the app is done registering. You can have a 30-day free trial to have access to music and things like that. We're gonna press that X button here if you don't want the Hatch Plus. So it is kind of hidden on the top left. There was an X button. You don't have to sign up for a subscription to use this device. Okay, so it's showing me how to use it. So for example, I can touch this ring to play a favorite. So for example, right now it's Bram's Lullaby. If you want to tap the second routine, you tap it again until you see a number 2 come here. So the second routine will play up. So you can set the routines. So for example, routine 1 is Bram's Lullaby with a certain set of lights. Routine 2 is this music with a different color light. Sweet dreams, sleep tight, say good night. And then say lullaby is your wind down time. You can, once the wind down time is over, it'll automatically go into the sleep mode, which is step 3. So now you can see the white noise is starting. The volume is controllable via a button here, so you can increase the volume button and it'll actually show you 0 to 100 as far as the volume. It's a nice full sound. It doesn't sound tinny or anything like that. So let's go ahead and put it back down to 50. So this is the sleep mode, and of course all three of these modes we're gonna, all three of these steps we can edit through if we need to. Okay, I'm still going through the instructions that's talking about Hatch Plus. All right, so for example, this first step, you click there, it'll go automatically start playing that first step. Click on the schedule, and now you can set your custom schedule for everything, including volume, lights, etc., and what to play at what time. For example, if your kid wakes up at 5:30 in the morning and you want to start playing this at 5:15 so that they're not waking up too early, you can have the white noise get louder or come back on, and then keep it on till 7 o'clock, for example, and it will stay on till then, hoping your kid sleeps until 7 o'clock. So lots of things. For your 6-month-old, you can use Hatch Plus to come up with a sleep schedule and things like that. So if you're trying to get the kids on a sleep schedule, this can help with that. But you know, you can go through Explore, and there's like music and stuff like that, different lullabies and things like that that you can download or have accessible for your Hatch device. You can go to the light, and you can, you know, set it to whatever color on rest. So for example, if your kid likes blue, you can say, okay, play that on rest mode. Or, you know, you have a girl that likes the pink, you know, you can do the pink on rest mode. So you can see there's a lot of colors that you can change it to. You can actually change it, the color, to exactly what color you want. So you can, you know, for example, pick this color, or you can, let's see. So you can go to the color dropper and pick any color you would want. So for example, if you want a very specific yellow, you can do that. Or you can just go to the rainbow, and then it will just swing through the different colors overnight. So the system is completely customizable to whatever your preference or your child's preference is. Of course, it can work for adults as well. The sound is nice and full, so it doesn't sound tinny at all. Let's go ahead and go over to the number 3, which is the white noise. And so if you go to the white noise here, so this is brown noise. You can do white noise. You can do a heartbeat. There's nature sounds, household sounds, lots of different sounds you can play. You can do a lake campfire. Forest lake. So all of these sounds are nice and full, soothing, may help your baby sleep. You can cycle through them and see which one works for you or your child, and try them out. But this is a very easy to use device. It's not one of those complicated Bluetooth speakers where you have to, like, you know, do all these weird things to make it work as a white noise machine. This is dedicated as a white noise machine with soothing lights, and works really well. Looks classy as well. It, you know, fits into any decor. But that's it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer. Subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.